Hello, let's discuss the next argument, essay number 15 that I called Happy Pancake House Restaurants. Write a response in which you discuss one or more alternative explanations that could rival the proposed explanation and explain how your explanation or explanations can plausibly account for the facts presented in the argument. The following memorandum is from the business manager of Happy Pancake House Restaurants. Recently, butter has been replaced by margarine in Happy Pancake House restaurants throughout the southwestern United States. This change, however, has had little impact on our customers. In fact, only about 2% of customers have complained, indicated that an average of 98 people out of 100 are happy with the change. Furthermore, many surveys have reported that a number of customers who ask for butter do not complain when they are given margarine instead. Clearly, either these customers do not distinguish butter from margarine, or they use the term butter to refer to either butter or margarine. So what we can say here? We have the first fact that butter has been replaced by margarine in Happy Pancake House restaurants throughout the southwestern United States. And we have fact number 2 that we could use for alternative explanation. This change has had little impact on our customers. Fact number 3 for alternative explanation. In fact, only about 2% of customers have complained, indicating that an average of 98 people out of 100 are happy with the change. And the last fact for alternative explanation is, furthermore, many surveys have reported that the number of customers who ask for butter do not complain when they are given margarine instead. And they give an explanation for all this fact that either these customers do not distinguish butter from margarine, or they use the term butter to refer to either butter or margarine. So the first alternative explanation that we can propose is there were little complaints since not many people always complain about quality of products. They could not visit restaurants again, therefore the profits would decrease in the future. Alternative explanation number 2. There were little complaints since the old and irregular ones could think that butter was replaced with margarine accidentally, and that was just a single case. And the last alternative explanation that we could give here, there were little complaints since the quantity of margarine in dishes was minimal. It's possible that people could discern butter from margarine, but there were minimum amount of margarine in dishes. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.